We're at WKBW in Buffalo, New York, shooting some awesome scenes. Right, Chris Brecko?
Yeah.
He plays
awesome,
Mick.
Awesome access here. I don't know, can you pan to the sets?
And we're about to shoot scene 10, which is over here. And you can see we're getting ready to shoot here. If you want to take a look at something, let me show you something, Chris. And friends, Chris and Chris. We have our iconic book, which has been in every scene thus far. Every scene. All right, Greg Vincent. So here we are again.
I'm pretty sure Mick owns stock in that book, and he just keeps passing them out to try to boost sales. It's really a sub-story. I don't know how many people will pick up on that.
Well, you know, it's a tale about one man's journey.
One man's struggle to sell books.
Yeah, and that's it.